Hi guys! A few weeks ago I was contacted by a company called Mixeasy wanting to know if I wanted to try out a few of their products. Now before I responded, I went onto their website just to find out a little bit more about this company. Mixeasy was started by a team of chemists and engineers with over 20 years of experience and a great knowledge of ingredients. They took years of testing and refining before launching Mixeasy. Now what makes Mixeasy so unique is that all the products are specifically tailored to you. You decide what you want to put in your products. To me, it made so much sense because nobody knows your skin and hair better than yourself. With that being said, I just wanted to say that all of my opinions are all my own and I would never promote a product that I didn't believe in. I decided to try out 3 products and it was a shampoo, conditioner, and a facial cleanser. Now, let me show you step by step how I ordered the products. So when you go on to mixeasy.com, you choose which product you want to start with. Let's start with the shampoo. Now you get to choose your shampoo base. I went with normal colored. Then hit next. Then you get to add up to 6 natural ingredients. The first ingredient I added was oats extract, which protects color. Then I did parsley extract, which adds gloss and shine. Next, cranberry extract, which minimizes breakage. And then finally, I added amino acids, which activate shine. Go ahead and hit next. Now you get to choose your fragrance. I chose bamboo and cucumber. Hit next. Now you get to choose your formula name. And you can put your email and go ahead and add it to your cart. Next up is the conditioner. I chose normal colored. Hit next. The natural ingredients I added to the conditioner was parsley extract for gloss and shine, cranberry extract that helps minimize breakage, red currant extract that detangles, and silk protein that treats split ends. Go ahead and hit next and choose your fragrance. I chose the same as before and hit next. Now you can add your formula name and add to cart. Now onto the face cleanser. I chose normal combination and hit next. The 6 ingredients that I chose was echinacea extract, which minimizes pores, damask rose flower extract that firms, raspberry extract that helps with elasticity, hyaluronic acid, which plumps and hydrates, rice silk, which mattifies, and vitamin E that improves texture. Go ahead and hit next. I chose bamboo and cucumber again. Hit next. Go ahead and put your formula name and add to cart. About a week later, you receive your package and it's wrapped really pretty. I love anything that's sent to me wrapped like this. It just makes everything seem a little bit more special. So this is the face cleanser, shampoo, and the hair conditioner. The bottles are really pretty. So I've been using the shampoo, conditioner, and face cleanser for a little over a week, and I have to say that after using the shampoo and conditioner after one day, my hair was so soft. I kept running my hands, my fingers through my hair just because I couldn't believe how soft it was. The shine is unbelievable. It looks like I actually sprayed those shine sprays to make your hair look shiny, but I haven't done that. Also, it's super silky. Now, I've always had soft, silky, and shiny hair, and I never thought that my hair could get any more soft, silky, and shinier. And with this shampoo and conditioner, it's done that. I just can't believe how shiny, silky, and soft it is. Even my husband commented about how silky my hair was. And also I noticed that with my normal shampoo that I've been using for years, towards the end of the day, usually at the end of my work day, I can start to feel my scalp to be getting a little bit oily. I can actually feel it. With this shampoo and conditioner, I don't get that at all. It actually feels like my hair was just washed. I really like this shampoo and conditioner. Now, as far as the face cleanser, I love it too. The two ingredients, there's a few ingredients that I had put that I had mentioned before when I showed you how I ordered it off the website. One was the rice silk to keep it mattified, and the other was the echinacea extract to minimize pores. Now, both of that, as soon as I finish washing my face, my pores are minimized. Even when I'm putting on my makeup, I can see they're still small. It keeps my face pretty mattified pretty much the whole day. I usually have to touch up with my blotting papers throughout the day, and I think I only touch up maybe once during the day with the blotting papers, and usually I do it at least 2 or 3 times a day, but I really like it. I also wanted to mention that all Mixeasy's products are natural and organic, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. They contain no parabens, no sulfites, no dyes, no silicone, and no mineral oil, and they are not tested on any animals. So I wanted to end this video by just saying that I truly love these products, so much so that my shampoo, conditioner, and face cleanser that I've been using for years, my Ride or Dies, I've actually taken it out of my shower and replaced it with these. These are so good. I think natural is the way to go. I'll go ahead and put a link down in my description box on how to get to the Mixeasy website, and I also have a promo code that'll get you $5 off your order when you check out. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.